sound makes things vibrate. So take a good look at this picture. We're going to be talking about vibrations. So remember, vibrations are when things move back and forth quickly. And remember, we said vibrations travel through the air and we don't see them, but sometimes we can feel them. Like when we were plucking our rubber band, okay? You could feel that, or you pluck a guitar string, you can feel that. We talked about the car speakers. If it's very loud in the car speakers, you can feel the vibrations through the car. So we're going to take a look at these huge drums today. Things that vibrate make sound. Sound can make things vibrate too. Drummers banging on these big drums make a loud sound. If you could touch the walls and floor in the room, you would probably feel the vibrations from the sound. All right, so these big drums, see how they're on platforms? When the men hit them with the drumsticks, the drum vibrates, the top of the drum vibrates, and not only does it vibrate, but those vibrations, because the drums are so big, the vibrations become so big that it makes other things in the room vibrate. If you were to touch the side of the drum, you would feel it vibrate. You're standing on the floor, you would feel that vibrating too. So when things are loud, when they make a loud sound, it means that there's a lot of vibrations, and those vibrations make other things vibrate too. Okay, so these big drums are a good example of that. They hit the drums, and then other things in that room are going to vibrate too. The sides are going to vibrate, the floor is going to vibrate. Okay, so a big drum like this especially, is a good example of how when you make a sound, right, make a sound, the vibrations make other things vibrate too. So again, an example of that would be if you're in the car, you can ask your mom maybe to try it, or your grown-up, whoever you're in the car with, is if you turn the music up on the radio in the car, if you can feel the vibrations by putting your hand on the car. So remember, it's coming out of the speaker, right? But when things are loud, it also makes other things vibrate too. Okay, drums are a good example because drums make loud noises. If you hit a real drum, okay, it'll make a loud noise. So it says, what could you touch near a loud drum to feel vibration from the sound? So look at this picture. What could you touch that would allow you to feel the vibrations? What could you touch in that room? Could you touch the stand? Yeah. Would you feel vibrations? Probably. Could you touch the drum itself? Would you feel the vibrations on the drum? Yes, you would. Even though you're hitting the top part of the drum, if you touch the side of the drum, do you think you'd feel it vibrating? Yes, you would. What sounds might cause things to vibrate in your home? So as you go about your home today, think about what sounds might cause things to vibrate in your home. Okay, so as you go about, when we talked about the radio, think about maybe other things that make loud noises in your home, if you would feel some vibrations from it. Okay, what are other things that make loud noises in your home? Does your TV make a loud noise sometimes? How about your phone? Does a phone make a loud noise, or a tablet? How about your computer? If you were to turn your volume all the way up on your computer and listen to something loud, do you think you'd feel some vibrations on your computer? You might. So make sure your grown-up is okay if you do want to try and see if when you turn things up, if you can feel vibrations, because you also don't want to disturb the other people in your home or hurt your ears by turning things up too loud. All right, have fun checking out the world around you.